Hello, my name is Elizabeth, a community health advocate for Priority Partners. April is Stress Awareness Month, and I'm here to share tips on how to relieve stress. First, identify your triggers, such as kids, a relationship, workload, or a health problem. Stay connected. Increase healthy relationships with supportive friends, family, neighbors, and even pets help to feel positive and energetic. Stay active. Take short walks several times a day. Exercising, yoga, dancing, or Tai Chi activities release feel-good endorphins. Find your pause button. After experiencing times of great change or significant loss, it's necessary to press pause and rest. Spend quiet time daily. Meditating, reflecting, and breathing help with resilience and calm. Plan for fun activities that suit you and schedule them for a day, a week, a month, or even a year ahead. Reframe thinking about stress. Stress is part of our daily life. It's how the body prepares for tough situations. Deep breathing can slow down heart rate and lower blood pressure. Remember, breathe in, hold, release, and enjoy.